and I read in class 10. My school name is PM Shri Kamlaram Nautiyal Government Model Inter College, and I came here with my guide teacher Dr. Shambhu Prasad Nautiyal. First of all, thank you, sir, to giving me this opportunity to speak on quantum age. As we all know, this year is considered as quantum year 2025. The as we hear word quantum age, there is a question in our hearts: what is quantum age? Quantum age is a representation of our new future of modern science. And there is another question: what is quantum? Quantum is the smallest unit of a particle in physical quantity. It can be energy or a matter. Quantum world tell us that energy does not flow continuously, but in discrete tiny particles called quanta or qubits. In our recent days, three scientists of California Valley got Nobel Prize for the innovation in the field of quantum science. Their innovation was quantum tunneling, and their names are John Clark, John M. Mantris, and Michael H. DeWalt. Today we are looking on an incredible shift from classical computing to quantum future. Right now our smartphones, laptops and internet runs on simple on-off digits. It's classical computing. Classical computing is like a candle lighting a whole room. But quantum computing is different. Quantum computing uses special quantum rules to perform various tasks at once, like a sun revealing a whole universe of possibilities. This new science, quantum science, has huge potential and power. Just think about its massive increase in computing. Faster and cheaper drug discovery, finding the cure of diseases like cancer, better ways to predict and prevent natural disaster, which is our today topic: climate change and natural disaster management. It saves billions of banking issues and a big reduction in banking frauds. Quantum science promises us to make things incredibly efficient and capable. As we know, every coin has two sides, heads and tails. Quantum science is also like a coin. It has a huge potential and challenges of its own. First, we see the potential of quantum age. Quantum science gives us things like ultra-sensitive sensors for navigation, defense, detecting weapons, and it can also help us in disaster management because it detects changes, variations, sensations, and vibrations on atomic and subatomic level. That's why when there will be circumstances of happening a natural disaster, it will detect it and give us information for far before it happens, and we will ready for that disaster. But huge possibilities comes with its challenges. The challenges of quantum age are: first of all, we are not ready for an advanced future like quantum science. To this revolution, we have to evolve ourselves first. And the challenges of quantum age are lack of human resources. There is the shortage of scientists, journalists and engineers who truly understand quantum age. Lack of skilled workers. In our India and whole world, there are so less persons who truly understand quantum science. They does not know about because it's too complicated and complex. We have to improve ourselves, and countries like India have to improve a lot. And the third one is cybersecurity risk. Right now, our internet web runs on HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol and HTML Hypertext Markup Language. But if quantum age comes, there will be another internet web which will be more complex than our present internet web. It can break our rules and programming, which will cause privacy leak and other informations. And right now our internet runs on KB, kilobytes, MB, megabytes and GB, gigabytes. but the quantum internet web will run on qubits. Qubits are unsteady and unstable. That's why the ratio of failure of failure operations is 1 in 100 operations. But we have to improve it to 1 in a million operations. Quantum computers have a high cost. That's why we can't afford it on a large scale. A quantum cost of one quantum computer is $15 million. If we level up its scale, it will be more than $300 million. The quantum computers need extreme cold temperature to maintain their self, like minus 273 degrees Celsius. At the end, all I want to say is quantum age is an ocean of possibilities, but it has waves of challenges in it. Thank you.
बहुत सुंदर। यहाँ पर क्वांटम एज के संदर्भ में अपनी बातें रखी गई और ये बताते हुए बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि यह बालक इंस्पायर योजना के अंतर्गत जापान